Welcome to our channel. Today we how to use Zendesk for customer support, beginner guide step by step clearly. Start by logging into your Zendesk account. Once logged in, familiarize yourself with the dashboard interface. Locate the support tickets in the left-hand menu. Click on the Tickets option to view all incoming support requests. To create a new ticket, select the New Ticket button. Fill in the required fields, including the requester's information and issue details. You can assign the ticket to an agent from the drop-down menu. Choose the appropriate status for the ticket: new, open, pending, or solved. Add any relevant tags to help categorize the ticket. Use the rich text editor to format your reply if necessary. To respond to a ticket, click on it to open the details. Type your response in the comment section. You can also attach files if needed by clicking on the attachment icon. Once your message is ready, hit the public reply button to send it. Monitor the ticket progress in the dashboard. Utilize the search bar to find specific tickets or customers. You can also filter tickets by status, priority, or assignee. For reporting, click on the Reports tab to analyze ticket data. Review key metrics such as response time and ticket volume. To customize your settings, go to the admin icon in the sidebar. You can adjust notification settings, user roles, and other preferences. Explore the knowledge base option to create help articles for your customers. Adding articles will help reduce the number of incoming tickets. Consider using the chat feature for real-time customer support. Engage with customers directly for quicker resolutions. Wrap up by periodically reviewing and organizing your ticket system. This will ensure efficient customer support and satisfaction. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.